Hey everybody, it's Brandon. Today I wanted to do a video about something that I haven't really dedicated a full video on, and it's the topic of affirmations. I am really into affirmations. They are probably one of the most powerful ways that you can change your life, the most powerful tools that you can use to change your life and to bring about your desire quickly, swiftly, and in the most specific way possible. I am personally really into affirmations. I find them to be one of the most powerful tools that you can use to change your life quickly, easily, and to the highest ideal that is best for you and your life. So what are affirmations? Affirmations are basically words, sentences, phrases that you say over and over again to yourself. You can say them out loud. You can put sticky notes, post-it notes all over your computer screen, your mirrors, your doors, so that you can see them every single day. They're basically phrases. I like to make my affirmations sentences that are descriptive so that they will bring about certain images in my mind. I actually have a video about how to visualize properly that I use the sort of affirmation technique. But when you use a descriptive affirmation, such as my wallet is bursting full of cash and coins, you start to see images in your head automatically without you having to think or conjure up an image. Those words bring up images in your mind, and so you are harmonizing with not only the vibration of your voice and the vibration of your words, but also your emotion and the visualization that is automatically coming into your mind. Visualization is so important, and when you're combining it with a vibration of thoughts and feelings and emotions, you're driving forth that vibration surely, quickly, and it's going to create a snowball effect, especially if you are doing affirmations every single day. Now, an affirmation, whenever you're saying it out loud, there's a vibration in your voice. So you have a physical vibration that's being animated and sort of expelled out into the universe, out into the ether to do your bidding, so to speak. And the universe resonates with that vibration, especially, again, if you are creating affirmations that are phrases that are extremely descriptive and that are conjuring up images in your mind automatically without you having to work at it, while increasing your excitement and you're feeling good and you're feeling as though you already have it. You are resonating within your desire within that affirmation. I actually one day created a full Word document that had several pages of different descriptive affirmations. They were like one sentence each, I think, that were extremely descriptive and geared toward a specific end result that I wanted. I did that for a few weeks every day when I woke up and when I went to bed. Doing affirmations and your visualization work as soon as you wake up and as soon as you go to bed is, I think, the most powerful way you can actually go about manifesting anything. When you are sleeping, you are in a completely non-resistant state, and sleep really helps to just sort of release resistance, at least for 8 hours if you're getting that much sleep. Hopefully you are. And so right when you wake up, you are just coming from that non-resistant state, and that's when you want to just sort of go at your affirmations and just sort of resonating and vibrating to your desire first thing in the morning. That's going to last all day. And you're going to have those images, you're going to have that excitement, you're going to have those words in your mind all day, and it's going to bring you even closer. And if you're doing other sort of things to help you release resistance throughout the day, I mean, it's going to be a really powerful technique. And right before you go to bed, you can do the affirmations. I think this is probably the most powerful way to do an affirmation, is to do it right before you go to bed, right when you go into that non-resistant state. So you can actually sleep. You incorporate all those words, all those affirmations, all those phrases into your subconscious. You process them. You're releasing them out into the universe when you're sleeping. Not only that, while you're sleeping, your brain has the time to process whatever it is that you want, and you can possibly awake with new ideas of how to tackle a certain situation that'll bring you closer in your effort, in your physical effort on this plane, to your desire. Now, like I said, I did this for a few weeks, a specific goal that I wanted to manifest. I did it right when I woke up and then right when I went to bed. I fell off the wagon a few times, and I didn't do it one day. And I think when I just sort of stopped doing it, because I don't know. I don't know why I stopped. There was no reason. But when I stopped, I guess I must have just forgotten about it and released all the resistance to that goal. because it came to me extremely quickly and in a way that was even better than I even imagined it or described it. But there are also very specific things within my affirmations that came true, but it all worked out even better than I anticipated. So I firmly believe in the power of affirmations. I highly recommend them to everyone that is seeking advice from a law of attraction perspective of how can I manifest something quickly? How can I manifest something specific? How can I manifest something that's going to be for the highest good of my life and beyond? Affirmations is the most powerful thing that you can do. Now, it takes some work. I mean, it's almost like script writing. You have to get in front of your computer or get a notepad and a pen. I mean, that's really helpful too. Just the act of writing down your affirmations and writing down your phrases is a creative process. You're putting forth a physical effort, a physical creative process, and you're creating it on the page. So right there, you're already creating it. The universe already knows what you want. There's no reason for you to even have to do the affirmations. But what the affirmations do, again, is get you in sync with the vibration, get you imagining it just automatically, which is probably effortless visualization is probably the most powerful way to manifest something because there's no resistance there. You're not having to try and conjure up the image yourself, and you're just resonating to the vibration of whatever it is that you want. And then once you sort of let it go and you go into sleep or you go into another activity or endeavor to release that resistance, the universe goes right away to working on what you want, and it brings it forth in that moment that you are non-resistant. I hope this quick affirmation video has been helpful. I hope you've learned something new about it. If you want to get any sort of tips, or if you have any questions about how to go about creating your affirmations, leave a comment down below, ask your questions to me or to anyone else who's watching, or leave your own tips on how to create affirmations or how to visualize. I'd love to hear them. Other people watching this video would love to hear them. So definitely please participate and leave your comments down below. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button, putting my thumbs up so you can like it. And if you subscribe, it really helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you all later. Bye.